Hello guys, in today's master class, we are going to discuss topic which is very important from competitive exam point of view. So the name of topic is exponents of real number. I have seen the questions of this topic asked in various competitive exams like Maths Olympiad, NTSE, scholarship, etc. Even the question of this topic are asked in various entrance exam like JEE and GRE, etc. So let's start with the topic. In this section, we are going to discuss laws of exponent. First, we understand what is the meaning of base and power. This A is the base and M is the power. So now, first law is A raised to M into A raised to N is equal to A raised to power M plus N. If base is same, then addition of power. For example, 2 raised to power 5 into 2 raised to power 8, we can write 2 raised to power 30. Law number 2, if base is same and power is different and in between them division sign, then we can write A raised to power M minus N. Base same, power different and division sign, then we will do the subtraction. But what is the condition? Condition is that M is greater than N. Then we write A raised to power M minus N. For example, 7 raised to power 5 divided by 7 raised to power 3, 7 raised to power 5 minus 3. Law number 3, A raised to power M raised to power N. Obviously, A is a rational number and M and N are positive integers. A raised to power N raised to power M. This can be written as like this way, A raised to power Mn. For example, 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 1 by 3. We can write 2 raised to power 3 into 1 by 3. Answer is 2. Law number 4. A raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Any number, for example, 6 raised to 0, answer is 1. Or another example, 2 raised to 0 plus 3 raised to 0 plus 5 raised to 0 into 2 divided by 7 raised to 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 into 2 divided by 1 is equal to 3 into 2, that is divided by 1, that is 6. Law number 5, any number, any rational number have negative power, then first we convert it in positive. Means law number 5 says A raised to power minus M is equal to A raised to power M. Example, 2 raised to minus 3. This at present you are not able to solve. First you have to make power positive, and so for that we write 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 2 raised to power 3. It means that the product of 2 how many times? 3 times. So is equal to 1 upon 8. Law number 6. A into B raised to power M is equal to A raised to M into B raised to M. If A into B raised to power M, here base is different, power is same, then we can write A into B raised to power M, or A into B raised to power M is equal to A raised to M, B raised to M. For example, 3 raised to 5 into 9 raised to 5, I can write 3 into 9 raised to power 5 is equal to 45 raised to power 5. And last law, law number 7, A divided by B raised to power M, I can write A raised to M, B raised to M. Now listen what I am telling. Base is different. Here A raised to M, B raised to M. Then we can write A upon B raised to power M. For example, 2 upon 3 raised to power 5. I can write 2 raised to power 5 divided by 3 raised to power 5. In this section, we are going to discuss simple questions based on laws of exponent. For example, 25 raised to power minus 2 by minus 3 by 2. So you should know 25 is the square of 5. So I write 5 square minus 3 by 2. Now, which law you will use here? A raised to power m raised to power n. We will write a raised to power m into n. So here we can write 5 raised to power 2 into minus 3 by 2. So 2 cancel. 5 raised to power minus 3. And we know that a raised to power minus m means 1 upon a raised to m. If power is negative, first you have to convert it positive. And then answer is 1 upon 5 raised to 3 is equal to 1 upon 5 cube, means 5 into 5 into 5. That is what? 1 upon 25. 5 is a 125. Another question. 64 raised to power 2 by 3. I can write 64 means here in denominator 3 is there. So I will try 64 is cube of which number? That is 4 cube. It's 64. 2 by 3. Again here same law we will use. 4 raised to power 3 into 2 by 3. 3 cancel. So 4 raised to 2 is equal to 60. Now, next example, 16 raised to power 5 by 2 raised to power minus 1 by 5. Now, 16 raised to power 5 by 2 into minus 1 by 5. Here we use law m into a raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m into n. So this 5 cancel. 16 raised to power minus 1 by 2. And we know that 16 is 4 square. So 4 square into minus 1 by 2. So again 2 cancel. 4 raised to minus 1. And we know that a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. So here we will write 1 upon 4 raised to power 1. That is nothing but the 1 by 4. Now, example number 4. Suppose 9 into 64 raised to power 1 by 3 plus 125 raised to power 1 by 3 raised to power 3 and whole raised to power 1 by 4. So here you should know BODMAS rule, bracket of division, multiplication, addition. But here first we will solve this bracket. 9 into 64 means 4 raised to power 3 into 1 by 3. And 125 means 5 raised to 3 raised to power 1 by 3. And again raised to power 3 raised to power 1 by 4 is equal to 9. 3 plus this cancel 5 3 sorry this is 4 plus 5 raised to power 3 and whole bracket raised to power 1 by 4 is equal to 9. 4 plus 5 9 raised to power 3 and raised to power 1 by 4. Here base is same. Which law is useful? A raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. So 9 raised to power 1 plus 3, that is what? 4 raised to power 1 by 4. That is 9 raised to power 4 into 1 by 4. 4 cancel. Answer is 9. In this section, we are going to find the value of x. of given example. For example, 2 raised to power x into 2 raised to power 5 is equal to 2 raised to power 7. Here base is same, so we can add x plus 5. Which law we use here? First law. Base same, a raised to m, a raised to n, m plus n. Same 2, base is 2, so x plus 5, 2 raised to power 7. So now base is same, so equating power. So x plus 5 is equal to 7 and x is equal to 7 minus 5. So x is equal to, this is the way you have to find the value of variable. Next question. Suppose the question is 2 raised to power 5x divided by 2 raised to power x is equal to fifth root of 2 raised to power 20. So 2 raised to power 5x. Division, base is same, power is different. So which law we will use here? A raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power n is equal. Fifth root of 2 raised to 20. Nth root of a means a raised to power 1 by n. So here 2 raised to 20 raised to power 1 by 5. Again here which law you will use? A raised to m raised to power n is equal to a raised to m into n. So 2 raised to power 20 into 1 by 5. 20 means obviously divided by 1. 5 for the 20. So 2 raised to 4x. 2 raised to 4x is equal to 2 raised to 4. Again, base is same, so we can equate the power. So equating power, we will get 4x equal to 4 and x is equal to 1. So the value of x is 1. One more example. 2 raised to power x minus 5 into 5 raised to power x minus 4 is equal to 5. Now, in this type of question, base is not same, power is not same. What we have to do? We have to split up first power 2 raised to x, 2 raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to x into 5 raised to minus 4 is equal to 5. Now, 2 raised to x upon 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to x upon 5 raised to 4 is equal to 5. So this now here power is same, base is different. So I can write 2 into 5 raised to power x is equal to 5 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 4. Now 5 raised to 1 and 5 raised to 4 is same. So I can write 5 raised to power 5 and 2 raised to power already 5. So 5 into 2 raised to power 5. Again here 2 into 5 raised to power x. Base is same, 2 into 5, 5 into 6. It means what? 10 raised to x is equal to 10 raised to 5, that is x equal to 5. So the value of x is 5. Some more questions. Example, 2 raised to 5 into 16 raised to 3 is equal to 4 raised to 16 raised to 3 is equal to 4 raised to x. Now, 2, 16, 4. So 16 I can write using base 2. 4 I can write using base 2. So I am writing here 2 raised to power 5. 16 means 2 raised to power what is equal to 16. 2 raised to power 4. If I take product of 2 4 times, I will get 16. raised to power 3 is equal to 2 raised to 2 means 4x. Now again which law? A raised to m into a raised to m raised to power n is equal to, we can write a raised to power mn. So here 2 raised to power 5 into 2 raised to power 4 3 is 12 is equal to 2 raised to power 2x. So 2 raised to power 5 plus 12 is equal to 2 raised to power 2x. Again base is same. So I can write 2x is equal to 17, x equal to 17 by 2. So the value of x is x equal to 17 by 2. Now some different type of question we will discuss. Suppose in place of that somebody ask you simplify. Four raised to 1 plus 4 raised to 2 plus 4 raised to 3 divided by 4 raised to 3 plus 4 raised to 4 plus 4 raised to 5. So what we will do here? What we have to do? 4 raised to 1, 4 raised to 2, 4 raised to 3 easily we can solve, and here also we can solve. But in place of that, what we will do? We will take out from here 1 4 common. If 1 4 is common inside 1 plus 4 square. And here also if 4 raised to power 3 is common, 1 plus 4 raised to power 2. So this same factor easily we can cancel. So what is remaining? 4 upon 4 cube. Now here this n is greater than here a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. Here n is greater than m, so we write 1 upon a raised to power n minus m. So here you can write 1 upon 4 raised to power 3. This is 4 raised to power minus 1. So 1 upon 4 raised to power 2 is equal to 1 upon 60. Simplify. (25) raised to power 3 by 2 into 243 raised to power 3 by 5 divided by 16 raised to power 5 by 4 into 8 raised to power 4 by 25 raised to power 3 by 2. So 5 raised to power 2. 5 raised to power 2 raised to power 3 by 2 into 243. If you are not able to factorize easily, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9, divisible by 3. So 3 into 81. It means that it is 81 means 3 raised to 4. So 3 into 3 raised to 4. That is 3 raised to power 5 raised to power 3 by 5. 4 means 2 raised to 4 means 16, 5 by 4 into 8 means 2 raised to 3 raised to power 4 by 3. Now laws of exponent, a raised to m raised to power n is equal to a raised to mn. So this 2 to here, this if you take multiplication, this 2 cancel, this 5 cancel, this cancel, and this cancel. So we will get 5 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 3 divided by 2 raised to power 5 into 2 raised to power 5. Now here base is not same, power is same. So I can write 5 into 3 raised to power 3. This law. A raised to m into b raised to m can be written as a into b raised to power m, and 2 raised to power 5 plus 4, that is 9. That is 15 raised to power 3 and 2 raised to power 9. 15 raised to power 3 means 3, 3, 7, 5, and 2 raised to power 9 means 5, 1, 2. Prove that 2 raised to 30 plus 2 raised to 29 plus 2 raised to 20 divided by 2 raised to 31 plus 2 raised to 30 plus 2 raised to 29 is equal to 1 by 2. So what we do, we will write LHS 2 raised to power 30, 2 raised to power 29, 2 raised to power means 2 raised to power 30 solving is very difficult, but we understand 2 raised to power 29, 28, 30, 2 raised to power 30, 2 raised to power 29, 2 raised to, obviously 2 raised to 28 is common in 2 raised to 30 as well as 2 raised to 29. So this is 2 raised to 2 plus 2 plus 1. Here 2 raised to 31, 2 raised to 30, 2 raised to 29. 2 raised to 29 is a common. We will write 2 raised to 2 plus 2 plus 1. So this same factor is cancelled. So 2 raised to 28, 29, I can write 2 raised to 29 minus 28. That is what? 1 upon 2. Here we use this law, a raised to power m upon a raised to n is equal to 1 upon a raised to power n minus m. Here n is greater than m. Now we have to show this is equal to 3 by 2 raised to power n plus 2 raised to power n minus 1 divided by 2 raised to power n plus 1 minus 2 raised to n. In this question, base same but multiplication is not there. So what we do, we try to write 2 raised to n. Always when the question is like that, split up the power 2 raised to power n into 2 raised to minus 1 divided by 2 raised to n into 2 raised to power 1 minus 2 raised to n. Now here this 2 raised to n is common here, and here 2 raised to n common. So I will write 2 raised to n is equal to 2 raised to n 1 plus 1 upon 2. 2 raised to minus 1 means 1 upon 1 by 2. Divided by 2 raised to n 2 minus 1. So 2 raised to n, 2 raised to n, we are going to cancel, is equal to 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, 2 minus 1. So is equal to just. Now, if you want to test your knowledge, try to solve this question and send me it in comment box. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I hope you like the master class. We will continue to have master class once in a month on Saturday, wherein I will bring to you a topic with in-depth knowledge. You can suggest topics in the comment section below.